Hello, in front of me I've got SteelSeries Apex 9. In this video I'll show you how to enable and manage rapid tap function. To enable rapid tap function, let's go to SteelSeries GG, select your keyboard and switch this button. Rapid tap is now enabled. Next you can add new configuration for rapid tap. SOCD monitors the two selected keys in each pair up to 5 and activates them based on the selected behavior. You can select behavior between last input priority, priority key 1, key 2 or neutral. Don't forget to save and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.